Do you want to learn how to delete a pet on Pet Simulator X on Roblox? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. To delete a pet on Pet Simulator X, first open up Roblox and go inside this game mode, which is Pet Simulator X. As you can see here, I've got these pets behind me, and I need to click on this pets on the bottom, this icon. And now I will see my pets over here. So I've got 5 pets and I want to delete this last one. So in order to do that, you will see this garbage bin type icon. Click on it and it's going to be a toggle delete. So I'm going to click on it and it's going to have this icon on top of it, which is a cross icon. And now click on delete. You're sure you want to delete these pets. You cannot undo this. Just click on yes. And that's it. Your pet is now deleted on Pet Simulator X on Roblox. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.